is there a optimal, does there exist um an optimal model of accurate news that is completely, justified by yeah, completely justified by um, you know, pure taxation funding. So let's think about getting the best from both worlds here. The biggest drawback to the private side, right? As we said, the biggest drawback to the private side is the sensational nature. The biggest drawback to the public side is the biasness. However, the best aspect of the public side is it collects its revenue through taxes. It doesn't have competition, so it's not incentivized to tell sensational stories, right? But the only downside is, the lack of competition does make them lazy. But really, what we're really looking for, though, is we may find, sorry, we may find in, the real world that it is not plausible to introduce the following models. But if we had to, we would focus on the following conditions for optimal accurate news. Okay? So no volume competition in the market. We don't want any volume competition in the market, no advertising competition. Therefore, media companies can rely purely on the, tax revenues that they receive, which are uncorrelated with their own financial performance. This removes the, shall we say, this removes the kind of desperation to make money through exciting news stories. So they remain unbiased and tell the truth. Finally, there may need to exist an independent regulatory body that makes sure the source of income for the media companies never involves, kind of corrupt. I believe if you satisfy, again, this is just an example to help you gain a rough understanding for the question. But honestly, if you satisfy these conditions, you're in a pretty strong position going forward to identifying the sort of optimal news structure and the optimal tax structure to back up that news structure in this question.